Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For this look you need some pearls, that is full pearls of size 8 mm and some half cut pearls in two colors, white and peach color, some tassels, fevicryl glue, needle and thread and any color scarf of your choice. So I've taken here dark blue color. So yeah, this is all you need, so let's get started. So firstly I have taken 8 mm pearls and I have placed it randomly on the right side of the scarf so that the pearls come on the top of your head. This is how I stitch two pearls, and to stitch the rest of the pearls I am making some markings on the scarf so that it look evenly organized. Here you can see I'm done with stitching the pearls, and now I'm going to take half cut pearls of two shades, that is peach and white color. I'm going to stick with the help of fevicryl glue between the pearls. Now I'm taking even more smaller pearls and sticking beside the big pearls. Now I'm attaching some tassels on the border of the scarf. It gives more finished look. For this, you can take any of the tassels of your choice and color. I've taken here dark blue color tassels. You can get these tassels at any of your nearby shop, or you can even make it home. You can even decorate it with pom-pom balls or any of the decorative material or borders or even embroidery borders or laces. That gives really nice look. Now I'm going to apply some fairy glitter glue in between the pearls so that it gives some glittery and fancy look.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet, but lips are dry and
So it looks like this after applying the glitter, and it looks wonderful.
ignored it, I let go.
Let the glitter dry for some time so that it does not come off easily. After the glitter is dried, I am reapplying it again so that I want more sparkly look. You can also skip this if you don't want such sparkly look. Now I'm done with applying the glitter, and now I'm going to stick the pearls on the rest of the scarf. You can wear this scarf on your party wear dresses or on Eid milap parties or any of the occasions. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.